Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with the most important thing, which is the internet connection. Make sure that you've got one. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, but I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi. So then we can enter the Play Store, and a quick disclaimer, if you do not have your Google account added to the device, you will have to either log in or sign up. It is pretty normal, and without it you will not be able to use the Google Play Store. If you don't know how to add your Google account to the device, I highly recommend to check our tutorial. So now we can simply tap on the circle, which is your account, and then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now let's tap on Manage, and as you can see, this is the list of all currently installed apps. So let's simply tap on Updates Available to be able to check which one you can update. So of course, if you want to, you can mark all of them, but you can also choose particular apps. So I will pick the Google Chrome, the Gmail, and maybe Google. All you have to do right now is to tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see, your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Basically, you do not really have to do anything more, just wait patiently. Of course, you don't have to stay here, you can just turn it off, everything will happen in the background. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.